Super Bowl Sunday. Alright, so we're out here at Elora.
Oh,
Happy Groundhog Day! Okay, so we're out here at Elora Gorge. It kind of reminds me of a small town in the American Midwest, to be honest.
Well, we're not at the Gorge quite yet. We're in Elora, which is a small town.
That's true. Okay, we're in Elora Township, right? About 40 minutes outside of the Waterloo region. And yeah, it's a small town, it's very cute, and it honestly looks amazing in the winter.
And we just got the most perfect snowfall that started last night.
We've been waiting for months for this snowfall.
So we're gonna show you what it actually looks like in Canada in the winter, and we're gonna take you down to the gorge so you can see some of the beautiful scenery and nature that we have right here close by.
Alright everyone, so Elora is a really small town. We are pretty much on the main strip right now. One of the great ways of spending an afternoon in the middle of winter in Ontario, Canada. So first stop, your perfect first stop would be the Elora Mill. It's part of the mill kind of restaurant group. There's an Ancaster one, a Cambridge one, and the third one is right here in Elora. They have terrific Sunday brunch, so for you to enjoy. It is a buffet and with unlimited mimosas and one other alcoholic drink that I cannot remember what it is. But come check it out, a terrific way to start your Sunday. Alright, now if the brunch thing is not your thing and you're here purely for adventure, then you want to still come to right here on Price Street. Head up Price Street and you will see a playground, and take a left and that's where you're gonna find the trailhead.
Alright, so one thing that's really important in the winter here is that you wear proper footwear, otherwise you're going to be sliding everywhere.
Alright, this is what you're looking for, Victoria Park. Now, if you are putting this in some sort of GPS, make sure you pick the one that is in Elora, not Kitchener, okay? There's another Victoria Park in Kitchener. It's geographically kind of similar in the same area, so if you go there, that's like a 35-minute detour. Victoria Park in Elora. Alright, now that we got that cleared up, let's head over to the trailhead, which is right there. You can even see it from here.
Victoria Park right there. Time to go in.
Alright guys, we're like 5 minutes into the park and you will hit a dead end. The gorge is that way.
Which also looks very similar
to that way.
But make sure you go
that way. By that way, I mean to your left. So you're gonna see the fence and you're gonna turn left. All right? So let's go that way.
About 5 minutes and we've already hit the start of the gorge, and so now that we've seen that, what we're going to do is turn back and go the opposite direction, because further down that way there's stairs that are going to allow us to go all the way down the gorge. And trust me, winter or summer, it's a lot of fun to go down there. The water is, I mean, in the summer it's shallower than the winter. We're going to see if we can walk through it, but it should be a lot of fun. Today you're gonna learn something new about Andy. He finds like little girls or like dolls really, really creepy, especially when we watch scary movies. It's like the one thing that freaks him out. And as we're here walking in the forest, he's like running away as far as he can already. As we're walking here in the forest, we come across this. It looks like somebody left this here for somebody else to take home, and I must admit it is a little bit creepy. Especially that little shoe that's sticking out of the ground. Okay. How do you feel about it, honey?
No, I don't even think you should be filming it. This is how like every scary movie starts. No. I don't.
Guys, if you don't see another vlog come out from us, you know why. I missed. Alright guys, we found the opening to go down that we like, the one that we normally go down when we're here in the summer. We thought that it would be open in the winter because they actually go down this these stairs to get to the ice climbing, but I guess it turns out for everyday use it's not allowed in the winter, so kind of a bummer, but I mean at least we got the drone up.
Well, that was Victoria Park. It's a small wooded area that kind of goes along the gorge, starting from the Elora Mill all the way down to those stairs area. Fantastic place for an afternoon stroll. It's so pretty in the winter, a fantastic photo shoot place. So if you want to feel like a Disney princess in the middle of winter, this is a great place to come to.
Even in the summer.
In the summer, you can feel like a Disney princess in the summer.
And you can cool off in the gorge.
And you can cool off in the gorge. Really great area. I say, Tia, we should come back in the summer and actually take us down to the gorge.
Absolutely.
All right.
Stay tuned. Summertime 2020.
Okay, don't put a date on it.
Okay, sorry.
Summertime, sometime in the summer. All right, so I'm freezing because I totally forgot to bring mittens. I'm wearing hers right now, so we're gonna head into the city area and kind of walk.
Grab a coffee.
Oh,
yeah, let's grab a
great
coffee.
idea. Yeah, let's go grab a coffee. So let's go take a look there.
Somehow the snow keeps falling on me.
Disney princessing. See, I'm telling you, it's all the Disney princess things. Now all she needs is some sort of like Winterland creature to come and land on her face.
Well, I'm sure we can make that happen.
All right, let's go.
Driving on what we think is a road. I think.
Well, there you have it, guys. The last covered bridge in Ontario.
So we made a pit stop on our way back home. This is in Elora. No, sorry, Elmira.
Nope, she's also wrong.
St. Jacobs.
Also wrong. This is technically West Montrose. Bet you didn't know that.
Okay, well, it's in between Elmira and St. Jacobs. And this is called, I mean, they call it the Covered Bridge, but it's also, for some reason, called the Kissing Bridge. And, I mean, there's not too much to see, but it's pretty cool to walk through.
And if you are going to get here, I'm assuming you have a car. Roll the windows down and drive through it. It has a pretty cool sound, kind of like going through a tunnel, but also like a wooden tunnel.
Great explanation. All right, let's go walk through it. All right, guys, I think that wraps up our Sunday adventure. We've had a great time out in this winter wonderland that we finally got here. But now we're gonna head home, have a nice warm coffee, and probably put on some warm clothes. So we will catch you in the next vlog.